The SD35 screwdriving tools for collaborative robots enables production companies to store and analyze all the insertion data of the screw. So that, for instance, the torque of the screw or how many rotations have the screw made. So they can see and measure that every screw is inserted correctly. The SD35 screwdriving tool is an easy-to-use system. It's fast to deploy in the production and easy to use, and also a small teach pin that you actually put in the screwdriving tool, and then you pinpoint each screwdriving position with it. So very easy and very fast to set up. The SD35 screwdriving tool is an attractive solution for a company like ELVEZ because it's lightweight, it's easy to move around in the production, it's easy to set up, and it's easy to program. So they can actually move it or use it in different applications. That makes the business case attractive because now they don't need to have a robot solution for one application. Now they can actually shift around in the production.